children, today we are celebrating Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is a big festival, children. On this day, all the people worship Sun God. Children, this festival has different names in different parts of India. In South India, this festival is called as Pongal. In North India, this festival is known as Lohri. And in Maharashtra, this festival is called as Makar Sankranti. On this special festival, people fly kites. You may see different designs of kite and kites with different colors up high in the sky. This is indeed a very colorful festival. People enjoy flying the kites on this day. Also, people exchange sweets made with sesame seeds and jaggery, that is tilgud. People also exchange the sugar granules which are colored, and also they are known as halwa in Marathi language. Children, this festival brings lot of joy and adds too many colors in our lives. Children, this festival is also known as Uttarayan in Gujarat. Children, there is a big international kite festival that takes place every year in Gujarat. It is believed that when you fly the kites on the day of Makar Sankranti, or you can say that on the day of Uttarayan, the sun's heat takes away all the cold and all the infections that have affected our body during the winter season, right? And sun provides us a good energy and good health.
Women in Maharashtra celebrate Sankranti by applying haldi kumkum on each other's forehead, and they distribute tilgud as a sweet dish. In South India, people celebrate Pongal, and Pongal dish is prepared and it is offered to God. Celebration of Lohri is all about a huge bonfire and people dance and sing around it. In Assam, Makar Sankranti is celebrated as Bihu. This is a harvest festival for farmers.
I hope you enjoy this festival of Makar Sankranti with your family and friends. Happy Makar Sankranti to every one of you.